In front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Android. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LaunchOS from LaunchOS Studio. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, you don't have to open it. Just go into Devices Settings and scroll to Hit Apps. Then select the default apps. Click on Home App and tap on Launcher Pro. Now you need to tap on Allow All for it to work and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wanna make any changes, go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, all you need to do is enter the same settings as before and tap on System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!